Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today is a very exciting unboxing video. This is the BTS ARIRANG album unboxing. So very exciting that BTS is finally come back after I think 2 years. I feel like it's been like a decade since they went to the army. Okay, so here is the album. It's just a white and black. I like how the packaging is open. It's like a gift box, and then the first thing is like a badge with all the credit of the producer. And then we have the photo book. I like the cover. It's like a film material with all the photo of all the members. We have the group photo first, and then I just quickly go through it. Jin, and then RM, and V, Jungkook. They look so good. Okay, so here is the envelope with the CD and the photo card holder and the photo card. I think this one is the photo card set. Oh, this one is the poster. I'm not sure because they're the photo, and then they're on the back is in Korean. I'm not sure what they write on there yet. I need to figure that out. But yeah, there's 7 photo, and then one of the whole group. And then here is the CD. I like how they have all the checklist name on everything, like on the packaging, the outer box, and also on the photo book. And then the CD envelope also have all the checklist name, so you can always look it up. And then here is the photo card. I think there's 7 for each member. And then I have one exclusive. I think the exclusive one is the group. It said this is the BTS store exclusive version, contain an additional photo card. So I guess the group one is the special editions. And that's pretty much wrap up this BTS album unboxing. I'm so excited for their upcoming concert. Let me know if you guys going to the concert. Yeah, I'm very excited. And then my favorite song from this comeback is Swim and No 29. I also like all of their other songs. Every song is so good, but those two is my favorite one. And yeah, I will play the CD at the end of this video, and I think I will wrap it up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Out of your mouth, you wish you were someone else. I miss